Littlebridge is a fully mobile solution that is introducing machine learning to enable a fully personalized and targeted English language learning experience for every child. Littlebridge uses a research-backed social approach to give children a sense of purpose in their learning. Every child can customize their page in Littlebridge and present their personal profile to the fully moderated Littlebridge community, where they can meet new friends from around the globe and use the English they are learning. Littlebridge encourages children to practice regularly by introducing them to recommended friends and by rewarding them for success in their messaging. And every child has local language support from their Littlebridge study buddy. Littlebridge activities are designed to reinforce key language points and to achieve defined objectives. They are delivered to each child according to the Littlebridge lesson they are currently completing. The activities include games, songs, puzzles, stories with audio, and listening and speaking practice, all designed to present new language and consolidate learning. Children receive rewards for success in the activities, and they can check their achievements anytime. They can see how their friends are doing too. The teacher selects the lesson for their class from a menu inside the teacher dashboard, and it will directly appear in each child's activity menu to ensure his or her learning pathway is clear. Each lesson plan is available to view and download, and is designed to help every teacher deliver effective lessons with hints and tips to maximize success. If the teacher prefers, they can opt to let Littlebridge automatically deliver a sequence of activities to their class, with students required to achieve a definable score in order to move from one activity to the next. Teachers can track all of their students' activity and progress in Littlebridge via the teacher dashboard and create insightful reports. Parents can also follow their child's progress in Littlebridge using the parent dashboard, so everyone can see how well children are learning English with Littlebridge. Littlebridge learning content is fully aligned with international standards, including Cambridge Young Learners tests and the Common European Framework. With Littlebridge, teachers get full control and visibility on their students' learning journey. Parents can easily follow their child's progress, and children are guided through the learning content by their teachers or machine learning, and can access a safe social community to start practicing their English skills right away. Littlebridge, learning together.